Ребята, а сейчас мы с вами увидим, как мы снимали это видео. Ты должен сейчас запомнить это место.
Remember this place? Yes, I understand you.
Are you ready?
Yes, I ready.
I love you. Go! Go! Не трясись только. Супер. Go. Ага. Бак. О!
You watch this? Oh, okay. It's very good. Very good. And maybe your video I'll
Yes,
go.
okay.
And you to can watch too. And dance. It is hot summer. It's very cool.
Let's start.
I go to my pool and swim.
We have not pool. We have not balcony. We have not pool. We have not balcony. We have only 35 meters in our apartment. But we are happy.
In Moscow.
In Moscow.
And Moscow we view our place when we live.
I think I will be editing.
Okay, let's finish.
Yes, okay.
And thank you what you watch this video and see you later and watch our next video.
To be very optional. Oh. Let's go fly.
Ow!